Imagine walking into a car factory in 2026. Robots assemble vehicles with lightning speed, guided by AI that predicts and fixes errors before they happen. In the office next door, an AI assistant schedules meetings, answers emails, and even writes reports. This is not science fiction, it is happening right now, all around the world. The pace of change is honestly breathtaking. In just a few years, algorithms have started to handle tasks once thought to need a human brain. From assembling products to analyzing legal documents, AI systems work day and night, never tired, never distracted. Some workers feel relief as boring jobs disappear, others fear what will come next. AI is not just about machines on factory floors, it's also in our phones, our hospitals, and our classrooms. It helps detect diseases, sort job applications, and even suggest music for our moods. The transformation is spreading into every corner of human life. As we watch this revolution unfold, a question rises above the noise of the machines. What does this mean for the jobs of real, living people? Everywhere you look, people are asking one question. Will artificial intelligence take my job? It is a question that echoes from boardrooms to coffee shops. Some experts predict millions of jobs will vanish. Others say new opportunities will appear just as fast. The truth is, no one knows for sure. This issue is not just technical, it is deeply emotional. Our jobs are more than a way to earn money. They give us pride, purpose, and a place in society. When technology changes work, it changes lives. That is why the rise of AI is a critical issue for our time. Some worry that the future will belong to machines. They picture a world where humans are replaced, left behind, or forgotten. But there is another side to the story. AI could also free us from dull, dangerous, or repetitive tasks. It might let us spend more time being creative, helpful, or inventive. So, as we face this question, we must ask not just what AI can do, but what we want it to do. Today, AI is already changing how we work. In some offices, AI sorts resumes and finds the best candidates for jobs. In hospitals, AI reads X-rays faster and sometimes more accurately than doctors. In the financial world, AI tracks fraud, predicts stock movements, and even trades shares. The effect spreads beyond offices and hospitals. AI helps farmers decide when to plant or harvest crops using weather data and soil sensors. It guides delivery trucks along the fastest routes. It translates languages instantly, breaking down barriers across continents. Every day, AI learns and improves, taking on more tasks. Even in creative spaces, AI is making waves. It can write stories, compose music, and generate artwork in seconds. Some artists use AI as a tool, while others worry it will become a competitor. What once seemed impossible is now part of daily life. These are not distant dreams, they are real, practical changes happening right now. Some jobs are especially vulnerable to AI and automation. Tasks that are repetitive, rule-based, or predictable are easiest to automate. In factories, robots have already replaced many assembly line workers. In offices, AI can process invoices, manage schedules, and even answer customer emails. Customer support roles are changing fast. Chatbots now handle thousands of calls and messages every hour. They respond with polite, perfect answers, day and night. Data entry jobs are fading as machines read, sort, and organize information much faster than humans can. Surprisingly, even some creative jobs face risks. AI can write news articles, design ads, and compose music using patterns it learns from millions of examples. Some companies use AI to create marketing materials or even movie trailers. The line between human and machine-made is becoming blurry. People in these roles may feel uneasy. The world they knew is changing, but it is not all bad news. Not every job can be replaced by a machine. Some roles really need a human touch, the kind of understanding that, honestly, no robot can copy. Doctors, nurses, and therapists use empathy, intuition, and judgment to care for people. These are qualities that AI just cannot easily learn. Teachers inspire students, adapting lessons for each child's needs and feelings. Engineers solve complex problems that require teamwork, imagination, and new ideas. Social workers, artists, and leaders connect with others in ways that go beyond data and logic. Even as AI gets smarter, it still struggles with tasks that need creativity, emotional intelligence, or deep social skills. Machines may help, but they just cannot replace the trust and care that humans provide. In moments of crisis or joy, people still turn to other people. Jobs that mix knowledge with heart are the hardest for AI to take over. They remind us that technology is a tool, not a replacement for humanity. While some jobs vanish, new ones appear. The rise of artificial intelligence has, created roles that did not even exist a decade ago. AI engineers now build smarter machines. Data scientists find patterns in oceans of information. Ethics experts guide how AI should act, keeping technology safe and fair. There are also new jobs like robot repair technicians, digital artists who use AI as a partner, and trainers who teach AI systems how to learn. Even jobs in law and policy are changing as governments need experts to write rules for AI. Entire industries are actually being born. From self-driving cars to medical diagnostics, AI is the fuel for new businesses. But a big question remains. Will these new jobs come fast enough to replace the old ones? For millions of workers, the answer will shape the next decades. AI will not affect everyone equally. Some regions and industries will benefit more than others. Countries with strong tech sectors may see new wealth and growth. Cities that invest in education and innovation may attract new businesses and jobs, but some communities could be left behind. Places that depend on manufacturing or routine office work may lose jobs quickly. People without access to training or education may struggle to find new roles. The gap between rich and poor regions could grow wider. The global economy may become more efficient, but also, honestly, more uneven. Some people will see their lives improve, while others may fall behind. Governments and companies have a big role to play in making sure no one is forgotten. It is a challenge for all of us to share the benefits of AI and build a future that works for everyone. Human history is full of change. When steam engines and computers arrived, people worried about losing jobs then too. Each time, new skills and new roles helped workers adapt. The story may repeat itself in the age of AI. Today, learning is more important than ever. People need to develop skills that machines cannot easily copy: creativity, communication, teamwork, and problem-solving. Schools, businesses, and governments must help people learn these skills from childhood to old age. Some companies already offer training for workers at risk of automation. New online courses teach coding, digital design, or how to work with AI. Lifelong learning is, becoming the new normal. The future belongs to those who are ready to learn, adapt, and grow. The rise of AI is not a story of machines against people. It is a story of how we choose to use our greatest tools. We can let fear guide us, or we can shape a future that makes life better for all. Human choice matters. We decide what jobs AI should do, and which ones need the care of people. We choose how to share the benefits of new technology, and how to help those who are left behind. Our values, laws, and dreams will shape the world to come. The question is not just, will AI replace us? It is, how will we respond? If we act with wisdom and courage, we can build a future where machines serve humanity, not the other way around. Perhaps one day, we will even build cities where humans and AI live and work together in harmony. The future is not written yet. It is ours to create.